Do you think that whatever you are saying falls on deaf ears? Why you are being constantly ignored? Do you feel puzzled about it? What if it is due to something you are doing? Because it is universally accepted that if you have good or healthy relation with someone, you feel more happier than others. But if you're constantly being ignored in an environment, it has a negative impact upon yourself and how you think about your own self, especially when you don't know why this is happening. This video is to aware you about the reason why it is happening, and it is not to put some people in a bad light. So here we go. Habits which make people ignore you are like you don't listen to others. Do you also feel like you speak a lot and don't let others speak? Or you always talk about yourself without letting others to have a word? If this is the case, then this might be the reason. Because to thrive into a relationship, you got to have a give and take policy. If you want to be listened, you got to listen to others as well. And this might not be the reason that you speak a lot because and you don't listen to others because you aren't interested in them. This could be due to you could have a lot more to share, but others get a wrong impression when you don't let them speak. Number 2, you criticize a lot. If you are someone who always wants best for their loved ones and you tell them whatever mistakes they make, then you have a mentality of someone who is very admirable and caring. But this thing sometimes make you criticize too much when you only focus upon their mistakes and don't focus upon the efforts they made. When you criticize too much, this makes everyone ignore you. So it doesn't mean that you shouldn't go and tell your loved ones that what mistakes they are making, but it should be measured criticism and it should have appreciation as well on the works they are good at. Number 3, when you are too negative and you always keep complaining. You too have done this a lot of times. Whenever you come across people who are so negative, who always keep complaining, you tend to ignore them. So you know how people react to negativity. Your presence doesn't grab attention. Point number 4. People don't pay you more attention whenever you are talking or whenever you meet them. This might be due to your public presence or due to your confidence levels, because you might have seen that people who have high confidence levels, they grab attention very soon. People tend to give them attention. It happens or not. See, if this is happening with you, you got to work upon your body language, upon how you show up in front of others, upon the energy you put in yourself whenever you go and talk to others. Number 5, you overthink a lot before you say something. And when this happens in a group conversation, you don't speak because you keep overthinking that what should I say, and then you start feeling ignored. This happens or not. What happens is, it is actually natural to think before speaking, but what impression other people get is that you aren't interested in talking to them or you don't want to socialize. Now, rest assured, not everything is your fault. You can change your behavior, not others. Everything told above, if you do them, it doesn't make you a bad person. You needn't prove everything to everyone. Just redirect your energy to people who care about you and who are interested in you.